Hi guys, today I am playing with two of my most favorite Flower Nose Moonlight Mermaid series eyeshadow palettes. The number 4 Mermaid's Dream and the number 5 Moonlight Land. I'm going to mix these two eyeshadow palettes to create this eyeshadow look today. I will show you which colors from which palettes I apply, how I apply them, and then I will do my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, and then I will come back with my final eyeshadow look and just give you my thoughts on the mix of playing with these two palettes together. Before I start with the eyeshadow look, I just prepped my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the color Deep Brown. And then I just set the eyebrows with the Benefits 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel. And on my eyelids, I just added some NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Nougatine or Light 22 as a base for my eyeshadow. Now these colors do not have names on the palette, so I'll just describe to you. I'm using the leftmost light brownish color in the number 5 Moonlight Land eyeshadow palette. And I'm using that on a Crown Pro C511. It's just a nice fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to place that down as a base transition color, not all the way to the brow, just to create a base. You'll see the tone is very similar to my skin tone. Just creating some soft shadow there, and just taking some of that under the eye as well, just to deepen up this part of it. Next, I'm taking this dark brownish grayish color on the right hand side of the eyeshadow palette of Moonlight Land number 5 on a small pointed, this is a Crown Pro C5 to 8 eyeshadow brush, and I'm just placing that in the deepest outermost part of the crease. Oh, I didn't tap it off, got a bit of fallout there. I'll just clean it afterwards. I just cleaned it off a bit with the makeup wipe there, and I'm just taking the previous brush just to blend out these edges so it's not so sudden. I don't really want it too dark. Just want to get the two sides balanced. And then after tapping off, I just want to put a little bit here close to the lash line at the bottom. Okay, now to get those colors to really stay on long and just really pop, I'm using the Pat McGrath Intensifies Artistry one. I'm just placing that over the lid so that the glittery shiny particles can really grip to the lid. I'm taking that beautiful blue sapphire shade in the middle on a spongy brush, and I'm placing it on the outer half of this eyelid, only up to halfway. Really deepen up that outer part. This is such a beautiful color. Now I'm moving over to the number 4 Mermaid's Dream eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this beautiful purple shade, the second last one, on the back of that spongy brush, just on the other side, also on a clean spongy brush. And I'm just placing it on the inner half of the lid and softly blending it into this blue color. And then I'm just flipping between the two sides to blend this in. I'm just putting a teensy bit on this innermost corner on the lower lash line. I'm taking that light pinkish color in the middle of the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just placing that in the inner corner as my inner corner highlight. You'll see this color, it looks a lot more pink in the pan than it does on the eye, and it has like a really golden shift to it. I'm taking a teensy bit of that middle golden pinky color on a flat brush and just placing some of it lightly against the brow bone, just to give it a bit of a sparkle and lift that brow bone a bit. And just cleaning off loose particles just below it. Okay, I am going to do eyeliner and eyelashes, and then I'll be back with my final look and thoughts. Okay, I'm back with my final eyeshadow look. I added some Maybelline Sky High mascara to the eyelashes, and then I added some of the Huda Creamy Coal eyeliner in the waterline in the color Very Vanta. And then I just added a wing with the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner in the color Black, just here at the top. And then I added some Deluxe Pack Ardell Professional eyelashes. These are the 120 black eyelashes. I'll link them in the description box as well. And there we get the final look. Now I do have a discount code for Flower Nose. I think it's Stella or Stella Beauty. I'll just put it on the screen and in the description box. And I'll just add the affiliate link there as well if you're interested. I think it's a very, very beautiful packaging. I really like how the eyeshadow look turned out. This is the eyeshadow that I wear when I want to feel like Victorian royalty. If you use a glitter glue or something like this Pat McGrath Intensifiers wand before you apply your shimmery colors, they last perfectly, they apply perfectly, they look stunning. And look how beautiful those two eyeshadow palettes complement each other in this eyeshadow look. So let me know what you think about the eyeshadow look. Do you like the eyeshadow look? Do you think it's a product worth purchasing? Or do you think it's just a bit gimmicky for you? And then I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye!